Welcome to the ELLIS unit Jena. I'm Markus Reichstein from the Max Planck Institute for Biogeochemistry. Together with my colleague Joachim Denzler, I'm co-leading our ELLIS unit, which focuses on machine learning for environmental and earth system science. The goal of our ELLIS unit is to combine fundamental developments in machine learning with challenges from environmental and climate dynamics for a better understanding and stewardship of the Earth system. A key aspect here is the integration of knowledge into machine learning models as appropriate assumptions. This can be qualitative knowledge about causal relationships, causal modeling, or quantitative knowledge about functional relationships, which can be cast into physical, chemical, biological, or geoecological formulas, hybrid modeling. The ELLIS unit Jena will also strive to help artificial intelligence research to best serve sustainable development via links to politics, business, and civil society. The ELLIS unit Jena is involved in the Max Planck Institute for Biogeochemistry, the DLR Institute for Data Science, and the University of Jena, with faculty in geoscience and informatics within the Stiefel Center for Data-Driven and Simulation Science. We are thrilled to be part of this excellent network of AI researchers and look forward to future exciting collaboration.